Hi everybody, my name is Michael and I'm a full-time trader at True Traders Experience. Today it's gonna be a long video and I apologize a bit for that, but I am going to chart and analyze all my pairs from the start. That means I'm gonna chart gold, copper, Nasdaq on my futures charts, and then all my forex charts, which I use for the 4-hour time frame and and swing trading. And I'll delete everything and start from scratch. And I'll try to explain, or I will explain what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, and which levels I'm looking at, which trend lines I'm drawing, and how I expect to use them. And I hope that you'll benefit from it and get something out of it. So let's jump right into it. So we are starting with Nasdaq. You see here. So the first thing we do, I will move my chart over here on the other screen. Yeah, so I simply start with removing everything, deleting everything, and start from scratch. Let's start with the fall chart here. So what do we have here? Yeah, right now Nasdaq is at all-time high. So my first level will be here. And my next level will be here. See, I'm using this week here as my support level. You can see here rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. So let's take the next level. Here it'll be here. Maybe, yeah, here. So I'll go down to 1 hour chart. Now I'll start to look for, see if we have some trend lines. I have one here. So what else do we have further down? No, I'll stick with this one here for now. I want to adjust this a little bit. Yeah, let's go down to 15 minutes. I want a trend line, support level here as well. Here. You can see rejection here, rejection here. It bears all this rejection here. Down to 5 minutes. Yeah. So let's see. So it is pretty basic. I'll put an alert here. Move those down here. I'll put an alert on the trend line. And I'll put an alert down here. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm waiting for the price to come down. And then when the alert goes off, I open my chart and see what's happening. If it looks interesting, I'll enter a trade. Let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, one here as well. Here. Yeah, that was pretty basic. So let's take gold. Again, I remove everything, start from scratch for our chart. So What do we have here? Oh, we have a trend line here. We have a good support level here at the old all-time high. This. One more down here. And then we also have one here. So let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, we have one here as well. So I'll place an alert here. Remove those down here. Place an alert on the trend line. So let's go to the 15 minutes. I normally use 5 minutes or 15 minutes to enter the trades. Let's see, something needs to be changed a bit. Yeah, I want one more level here. Have an alert here, alert here. Gold is also at all-time high, so it's just to wait for a pullback and see if it's possible to trade that pullback. Yes, that was it for gold. Pretty basic. So let's move on to cover. Cover is my favorite pair to chart. Let's remove all drawings. We go to the 4 hour chart first, 4 hour time frame. So what can we see here? First of all, I can see a very good trend line here. Down here. This one I want here. Price might not go down to it this week, but I like to be prepared for it. Here you also have a fairly good trend line. When I draw trend lines, I'm not so concerned about they fit each pivot points exactly or candle closes. I'm more interested in that it looks fine and the price has rejected from it. And also, I don't have rules about 3 touches and it breaks or 8 touches is the perfect trend line and so on. I just take the price action as it comes. 2 seconds. I want to delete all these alerts here. I'm planning to use the analyzers tomorrow, so I want to do it right. See what else do we have. So this trend line here. Yes, we have a very good resistance up here. And one up here. You can see here, good rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And if we go here, see rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. When I draw this trend line, I just look for where price previously has rejected from. It normally works pretty well. And let's see the one here at the bottom. Yeah, you can see here. This one here, go a little bit up. This is where we useful price rejected here, 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 and so on. But I want it a little bit lower, down here. So let's go to the 1 hour. more details can be added. I want a trend line. Yeah, something like this. And let's see what about trend line from the higher prices and down. We can definitely take one here. And we can see if price will respect this triangle. And let's go to the 15-minute chart. A little bit more detailed. Yeah, I want a box here. Like this. Yeah, so tomorrow, like I would like to see the price comes down here and test this area. I'll put an alert here, an alert on the trend line as well. So yeah, I want here as well. You can see rejection here, and also rejection here. Yeah, let's go to the 5-minute. See if we have something. Do have a little trend line here. Alert. So when the price would break the trend line, I would like to see if there becomes some bearish divergence down here. Then it might be a good short. And an alert up here as well. You know what? I want to have this one here too. So an alert here. Yeah, that was it for cover. And the last pair will be GU as I use on the 5-minute chart for entries. So the last pair as I use on the lower time frame, that is GU, pound USD. So I start with removing everything and start with the forward chart. So what do we have? Here I normally just use support and resistance levels. Here you can see prices in an uptrend. So tomorrow I'll be looking for something like this. So when the price comes down, I'll look to long it. It's pretty basic. And up here, it would be here. So let me remove some of all these alerts here. Yep, so I'll put alert here and then alert here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart and see if there's something to be done differently. Yeah, I want to change this here to here. And then I want a box here, like this. So I'm covering this rejection here and this range here as well. And I will put an alert here. On this one here, I stick with the whole box. The reason why I trade this pair here a bit different is because, in my experience, it reacts very well on these kind of support and resistance levels. So I don't need trend lines or divergence for this pair. Yeah, that was it for DU on the 15 minutes time frame, or the smaller time frame. Now sorry, I will go on to the other forex pairs on the 4 hour and daily charts, where I do my swing trading or day trades that last the whole day. So here are we at the 4 hour chart on my forex pairs, and we start from the alphabetical end. I'll start that is AUD cat. Yeah, and I start with deleting everything. So, and so first we start with trend lines. No, there's only this one here. Fine here. And here we have a resistance area. So here we have another resistance area. Let's see. I do here, rejected here, rejection, 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 rejection. So, and here I put alert. So could be when the price comes up for a good pullback. And I'll remove these alerts here. So I want one more. That's the next one. I think that's here. Yeah. Maybe down a little bit here. That removes this magnet. Yeah, this here will be the next support level. I'll put an alert here. And I'll put an alert on the trend line. So that was AOD cat. Next one, AOD shift. I remove everything. So what do we have? Let's start with the trend line. One here. And where is the first resistance area? That's here. So here we put an alert. And let's use this here as support. See here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And the next support is down here. And there we put an alert. So on to next pair, AOD JPI. We remove everything. So here we have a good trend line, something like this, I guess. Maybe down here. That looks better. Up here. This is here useful. Let's see. Not bad. Yep. So we do like this. So what would be interesting to see if the price falls over this cliff here, this trend line, and then we have a level here. So price comes down here and retest, bearish retest, and then short it from up here. That would be a good scenario. And to the upside, have here. Yeah, we need this trend line here to be broken, and then the resistance area would be something like this here. Price could also down retest the back of the trend line and this resistance area. I'll remove these alerts here. And then I place an alert up here. And I place an alert here on the other side if the price breaks through. And now we go to AUD inset and we start with removing everything. And what do we have here? So first level is this resistance up here. Give it an alert. And price is at a very good support level here. Here. Yeah. Next support level is down here. Yeah, alert here and here. So an alert below here. So if the price goes down, I want to see a bearish retest and then short. If it starts to range and start to showing some bullish momentum, I will be looking for long it here. AUD USD. Yeah, I'm already in this trade, this short here. You can see here a very basic simple trade. Price is going down, and then I mark out this level here when it breaks, and the retest, and then short. So next pair, cat shift. Yeah, let's remove them. So what do we have? We have a trend line up here, down here. And we have a support level here, something like this here. See, just so it fits here. It also fits with these rejections. And an alert here. So what about the upper levels? This here is one big, I don't know, messy range. It really doesn't look good. So my level will be from here to something like here. Rejection here, rejection, rejection. Remove this alert and put one here. So next one, cat yen. Again, we remove everything. And we start with a trend line. Let's see, you can do it from down here. Yeah, something like this. And we have a good resistance level here. Mark out here and here. So you can see here, rejection, rejection. So let's see if price can break this level or will fall down over a cliff from the trend line. On the support side, I'll be looking for these levels here. And I'll place alert above here. So if the price breaks up, I would use this resistance here as support for a long. Yep, that's basically it for this pair. Let's take Sheffian and remove everything. So start with the trend line from down here. We have this larger from here and here and here. And the next one will be, just take this one up here. So again, an alert above here. If it breaks, use this as support, and an alert up here, and an alert on the trend line. See, where do we have support level? Here. So this also gets an alert. I remove these two alerts here to clean up the chart. So next pair is Shift JPI, and now let me just chart it. Sorry, take Euro AUD, and we remove everything again. So first support level I'm interested in is down here. I'll give an alert. And let's see, first I'll have this one here. That's my first resistance. Gives that an alert. See, what do we have here? I have a box from here, from this pivot point here, this wick, down to this one here. That will also get an alert. And then the last trend line. See, something like this. Again, you can see this here is fine for me. It's not so important that the price has reacted exactly from the trend line. In my experience, it really doesn't matter. I know a lot of people will disagree with me, but I do mine, and yeah, they can do theirs. Yeah. So yeah, here it's pretty basic again. We look for rejection here. If it breaks, then use it as support. Breaks the trend line, I will look for bearish divergence down here, and then it'll short it down to here. So you cut, next one, remove everything. So first of all, we have a good trend line up here, I can see. And what about down here? Is this useful? Out from the bottom. Could be from all the way down here. No, that didn't work. Let's try to put it here. And then we take it from here. That's better. So where are the levels? Actually, we have one here as well. The first level is here. And I give it an alert. And this trend line here also an alert. This trend line here also an alert. What about the upper levels? That will be here. Yeah, something like this. Could fit very well with this trend line and this resistance. I'll remove this one here. So let's take next pair, use shift. Okay, now move everything. Start with a trend line from here, maybe. Like this. Then one more here. This. We have a support level down here. This. I'll remove this alert here. And then put one here. One on this trend line. And where's the first good resistances here? Here. So I use this rejection, this rejection, this rejection, this rejection, this rejection. Is that it? I want one more down here. Like this. See, I use this wick here and this bottom. So on to next pair, UTP. So UTP, delete everything and see what we can do. What do we have here? Not much support. That's better. Yep. Do like this. Take this bottom here, this wick down here, and then we take. That's too much. Yeah. So this week, and this week, and back to the 4-hour chart. Let's see what the trend line. Start here. What does that look like? Like this. I'll give an alert. Where's the first support? It will be here. First support, first resistance and alert there. Yeah, so basically I'm waiting for break of trend line, hits the support here, which is a pretty strong support. So euro yen, again we delete everything. We start with a trend line here. First support, I want all the way down here. See, this should be a very good support. Already have an alert. I'll remove this one. So what do we have up here? Yep, here to this week. See this week here and this area here. And the next one is up here. Yeah, make it a big one. We'll have one here and one on the trend line onto euro inset, and we delete everything. Start with a trend line. This. Yep. Give an alert. So, yep, that will be here. Yeah, this week and this week. And we can see price is close to it. I'll put an alert just up here. And the support here. See, take this area this week here. And it also gives this one. On to Euro USD. Euro USD has been going down for a long time. It looks to have found some ground. So it's interesting to see if it's gonna go up. Start with this one here. Where's the next one? It's down here. Yep. Like this. Already have the alert here and alert here. So what about trend lines? Take one here. Where's this support? It's here. No, it doesn't really fit here. What about now? Yeah, it still fits here. That's better. And we give an alert. Trend line also will get an alert. Yeah.
Tell them you're feeling them.